Right, I've got an excellent new tool to show you today, and it's this MOHOO electric cordless screwdriver. It's 3.6 volts and it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery. It comes in this really nice packaging and is well protected. A good set of instructions with all the photographs of exactly how to use it if you need that. And it's a really nice chunky feel cordless screwdriver. And the reason I got this one is for this chuck assembly on here, and the fact that it has various different torque settings. And with those two features, it is actually the best type of cordless screwdriver to use as a cordless electronic chuck key on the lathes. And you may have seen my other video using a different make like this one with the same type of chuck, where I actually made up adapters to actually fit the chucks. And since that video, this new one has come on the market. Plus I've found these Drill Pro drives which can actually be used in it. And one of these drives, the red one, which is the 3/8 one, is the perfect fit for the large MOHOO chucks. So now I'm going to use it as a powered chuck key, and I have the 3/8 Drill Pro square drive. So that one goes into the screwdriver, and that one fits absolutely perfect in the larger chucks, the MOHOO and the HBM type chuck. And it's great for using like that as a chuck key. Saves so much time. And I've got it on the #1 torque setting for going the other way. And that way you won't damage the scroll, the jaws or the chuck in any way. Plus the normal use for these is to actually drive sockets, obviously, and you can actually use your electronic cordless screwdriver as an electronic socket drive. So now on the cordless screwdriver I changed to the 1/4 inch drive from the Drill Pro set, and I've got a 1/4 inch drive socket, 13mm, and just for an example I've got a nut in the vise there with an 8mm threaded bolt going into that one. And you can actually use these for a driver for the sockets, and also use the torque settings as well. And you can see how useful this tool would be with these Drill Pro square drives if you had to put lots of bolts in or take lots of bolts out. You could do it with the least amount of effort. Another thing that I really like about this type of screwdriver or cordless screwdriver with this type of chuck is the fact that you can actually use drills that are actually set in the hexagon, and when you put it in the chuck it locks in place so that when you withdraw the drill it actually won't pull out of the chuck. And now you can actually buy a multitude of different bits for this type of cordless drill or cordless screwdriver, should I say. You can actually get combined drill and tap bits. There's all sorts of things to actually get, like I say, and it makes this tool really versatile. And with its slow speed, it'd probably be a really excellent tool for the drill and tap combination bit. And I will put a link below so you can actually see those drill tap combination bits that you can get. So in the set you get this really nice set of long bits and the drill, an extension one there, and then you have the standard smaller bits, 2 sets of those, the crosshead ones and the flathead, plus you have the Allen key type. And then you get this remarkable piece of equipment. I've never seen one of these before, but it's a flexible drive. In the drill like that, or the cordless screwdriver, you can actually turn it at any angle to get into very difficult places. And I think that's an excellent piece of equipment. The cordless drill itself has a heavy duty feel about it. It's made of strong ABS type plastic, plus it has rubberized grips front and back on the handle and around the trigger assembly and on the underside here, so it feels really nice and comfortable to hold. A nice comfortable trigger assembly. The forward and reverse slide switch here. Plus there's a work light at the front here when it's driving. Then you have 1 to 6 on the settings for torque. Plus a setting down here for drilling, which is a non-torque mode, so it won't actually slip at all. And then on the top here you have a battery status window with 3 LEDs, green, yellow and red, and when you press the button on the top here it displays those lights. If it's 100% you have the green, yellow and red lights displaying, 50% is yellow and red lights, and less than 30% is just the red light. And I actually really do like these ones where you actually press them, because there's no continuous drain on the battery if they were lit all the time. Another great feature that this screwdriver has is this button on the top here which says press. Press that one in and you can actually swivel the handle round and make it into a straight screwdriver. It only swivels one way, so remember, if you hold it this way and then turn it, this is absolutely great for getting into tight places again, and you may just prefer actually using it as a straight screwdriver in that mode. And it actually locks in place in both positions, so you have to press the button again to turn it back. It comes with a meter length charging cable. The charging socket is on the side here, and then it's just ordinary USB charging. So you can actually charge it off of a computer or get one of the USB adapters. So for an example, I've got a solid piece of pine here without any drilled holes in it, and I'm going to put a self tapper into this one with the crosshead screwdriver bit. And you can see the torque setting there, that's on number 1. And that seems to be just right for this screw into this wood. So I think it's a fantastic screwdriver set for the money. At the moment I think it's on special offer. It's worth actually looking at the link below. And remember, if you buy this one you don't actually get these drives with it. This is a Drill Pro set which I bought separately, and the links to these will be below as well.